Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change TikTok username, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your profile page, where you can see edit profile option at left side of the screen. Just tap over there and now you can see username option, and at right side you can just click there and you will be able to change your username or modify your username. So basically this is how you can change your username on TikTok, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.